In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress website for beginners. So let's dive right in. We'll start by navigating to wordpress.com. This is the most straightforward way to get started with creating your own website in just a few minutes. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the login option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. Now, to make things even more convenient, click on Continue with Google. This allows you to use your existing Google account to streamline the sign-in process. After that, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. This is a great way to keep things simple and all under one account if you're already using Google's suite of tools. Next, once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, look to the top right corner and click on Add New Site. It's time to choose WordPress.com as your platform. This step is vital because it connects your new site with all the features WordPress has to offer. Now think about what you'd like your website to achieve. On this next page, you'll select what you want to do with your site. It could be anything from blogging to business. Click on Next as you make your choice and continue. Here's the exciting part, you get to choose how to start your website's design. You'll see options to either start with a theme or create with AI. Pick the one that you feel most comfortable with. If you want something ready-made, a theme is excellent, but if you're feeling adventurous, creating with AI can provide a more personalized start. When you've made your decision, you'll then select a template. This is where you consider the layout and functionality that would work best for your site. And of course, matching your website styles comes next. Choosing styles involves selecting the look and feel, including fonts and color schemes that resonate with your brand or personal taste. With those choices behind you, click Continue to move forward. This brings us to picking a domain. Here, you can either type a domain name of your own or use one that you already own. Think of this as your website's unique address. Make sure it's easy to remember and type. Once you've found the perfect domain, simply click the Select button. After selecting your domain, you'll be prompted to continue once again. If you're just starting out and want to keep costs down, opt to start with a free plan. Clicking Continue with Free will let you move on without any immediate costs. Now it's time to give your site a name. This is how people will identify your website, so make sure it represents what you're about. Type in your desired site name and follow up by clicking Save Changes. Once your changes are saved, head on over to My Home, and from there you might want to click on Skip to Dashboard if you're ready to get into editing and customization. On the dashboard, find and click Edit Site, which will open up possibilities to add blogs and elements that will make your site come to life. As you polish off your site with content and features, don't forget to regularly click Save to ensure all your hard work is not lost. And there you have it, your WordPress website just got its start and you're ready to take it from here with creativity and style. Happy building!